The Constitution contains 4,543 words. It's supposed to be a living and breathing document, one that represents the heart of the nation and its people. The Supreme Court was appointed to uphold the document of the people. The view that the Supreme Court is isolated from the unwashed masses should not be lost on everyday Americans. The Founding Fathers didn't trust the masses, and that is why we have an electoral college. To say that judges are not predisposed to a set of beliefs or a mode of thinking is like saying George Washington didn't chop down the cherry tree while he was standing there with the axe in his hand. It is implied as to the evidence we see, just like expressed judicial and social opinions point in a direction. The Supreme Court has an axe in their hands, and it's called interpretation/judicial review. Chief Justice John Roberts said, "My job is to call balls and strikes, and not to pitch or to bat. I have no agenda." But what happens when the umpire has a predisposed strike zone not consistent to the rules already established? It can change the game for all of the players. Judge Amy Coney Barrett, President Donald Trump's nominee to the Supreme Court, said, "Her legal philosophy is originalism. That is the view that judges must adhere closely to the written text of the Constitution and to the plain meaning of language used in the statutes at the time they were enacted. A philosophy similar to what they call the Federalist Society, which is a group of conservative and libertarians that advocate for textualism and originalist interpretation of the United States Constitution." Barrett said, "Not having a philosophy is a philosophy. If your approach is a grab bag, that's your theory. A nominee can't answer about specific cases, but questions about judicial philosophy should be on the table. You have a right to know what yardstick you're using to make those decisions. Congress can change the number of Supreme Court justices, but it hasn't done so since 1869. Could this be a solution for the next president and Congress to take up?"